Are we on the brink of the biggest stock market recession the world has ever seen? The signs are all around us: skyrocketing inflation, soaring interest rates, geopolitical tensions, and more. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the reasons why a massive recession might be looming, how it could impact your investments, and what you can do to protect your portfolio. So, if you're invested in the market or planning to be, this is a video you can't afford to miss. Welcome to the Urban Trader. Let's get started. Before we dive into the current situation, let's quickly recap what a recession is. A recession is a significant decline in economic activity across the economy, lasting longer than a few months. It's visible in GDP, income levels, employment, industrial production, and retail sales. Historically, recessions have been triggered by a variety of factors, such as financial crises, global conflicts, or even pandemics. The 2008 financial crisis is a prime example, where a housing market collapse led to a global economic downturn. Now, let's take a closer look at the warning signs that suggest a major recession could be on the horizon. First, inflation and interest rates. Inflation is at its highest in decades, leading central banks to hike interest rates. This makes borrowing more expensive, slows down spending, and can push economies into recession. Second, global debt levels. Countries around the world have taken on massive debt, especially during the pandemic. As interest rates rise, paying off this debt becomes more difficult, leading to potential defaults or austerity measures. Third, geopolitical tensions. Conflicts in regions like Ukraine and ongoing trade tensions between major economies create uncertainty, disrupt global supply chains, and can lead to economic slowdowns. Fourth, market overvaluation. Many experts believe that the stock market is currently overvalued, with prices not reflecting the underlying economic realities. When this bubble bursts, it could trigger a massive sell-off. Let's compare the current situation with past recessions. The dot-com bubble in 2000, the 2008 financial crisis, and the COVID-19 crash all had distinct triggers, but they also shared common warning signs with what we're seeing today. High market valuations, unsustainable levels of debt, and external shocks were all precursors to these recessions. What's different now is the scale and global interconnectedness of economies, which could make the next recession even more severe. So, what happens to the stock market during a recession? Historically, stock markets have taken significant hits during recessions, with some sectors being hit harder than others. Tech stocks, for instance, might see a sharper decline due to their high valuations, while more stable sectors like utilities or consumer staples might fare better. However, no sector is entirely safe, and even the most diversified portfolios can suffer. While the prospect of a recession is alarming, there are steps you can take to protect your investments. First, diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, to reduce risk. Second, focus on defensive stocks. Consider investing in sectors that tend to perform well during downturns, like healthcare, consumer staples, and utilities. Third, hold cash. Having a portion of your portfolio in cash gives you the flexibility to buy assets at lower prices when the market declines. Fourth, long-term perspective. Remember that markets are cyclical. While a recession can be painful in the short term, staying focused on your long-term financial goals can help you weather the storm. While no one can predict the future with certainty, the warning signs of a potential recession are hard to ignore. But with the right strategies and a long-term mindset, you can navigate these turbulent times. Remember, recessions are a natural part of the economic cycle, and they often present opportunities for those who are prepared. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and as always, do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think? Are we headed for a major recession? Let's discuss in comments section. And if you want to know world's biggest stock market scams, then click on left thumbnail, and if you want to know world's top YouTube channel to learn about stock market trading, then click on right one. Until next time, happy investing.